I know. Come on, get back here, baby. Watch out. Come on, man. Thank you, sir. He just didn't want to go. All right. So just did an oil change on my son's bike. He hates this next part. When we go rip, dip, tater chip. First kick. Gotta love the old XR100. Try not to bother the neighbors. Off the curb. So we get some second gear shenanigans. Oh, it's a beautiful thing. Dude, what a day. I mean, listen to that power. Wooded section. Watch out for the ticks, you heard? Gotta love a little XR. A lot of fun. See if we can get some one hand ropes going. Holy crap. A little bit of a hole. Gotta love it. I gotta get this bike back before he starts holding the type of grudge, you know. Also wanted to see what this camera angle's looking like. Oh man, this bike is too much fun. I suggest if you can find yourself a late 90s, early 2000 XR100 for the cheap. Pit bikes are sick. I get the appeal. I get it. But this is like more of a full-size bike with a clutch, real gearing, you know. At least for us bigger boys, it's a simple option. Because the little 110s, dude, it just ain't it. Anyways, oil change seemed to work. It didn't blow up yet. What do you think, boys? You think we can wheelie in between the cars past the trailer without dying? Right into the trailer. Couldn't do it. Oh, I gotta clean this shit. What's up, baby? Yeah, she knows what time it is. She hates this shit. Very, very good. All right, y'all. This thing's playing.
Okay. So today my daddy's gonna ride around on my brother's bike.
All right. I'll see you at the pool in a second, all right?
Okay.
All right. So that right there is Miss Alana. She is my second oldest. Me and my sweet lady got 4 of them young childrens. So as you guys just saw, I already did the oil change on my son Joe on his bike, but wifey gave me a few minutes to go get myself in trouble, and I figured what better way than to take out his bike real quick. Now we're gonna go over to this section of my neighborhood. It's undeveloped, so some of the local homies have made a few runs in it, some jumps and whatnot. Now I do got my lemon pepper steppers on, so don't know how reckless we're gonna get on the jumps. Yeah, I know what I'm saying. But we'll give it a try. I don't even know if this thing will pick up in third. And it kind of does. I am just not skilled enough to capitalize. You hear me? You hear me? I'm gonna try to start just kind of pumping out these videos. We've been kind of doing shit like this forever, but finally got some GoPros from one of my homies. And I was like, why don't we just start filming our daily occurrences? You know? We do enough, in my opinion, cool shit. Could be wrong, but oh, that's like a hole. Wasn't ready for the hard enduro on the XR1 handy. So anyways, dude, we're gonna start pumping some of this stuff out. It's like, whatever. When the kids go to bed, the wife goes to bed, I'll edit some of this stuff. I mean, I think it may be fun. Oh, Jesus Christ. So let's give you some neighborhood track action. Ripping down the front. Into a little bit of a drop down. And back up we go. Drop down. I mean, I know you guys couldn't tell, but we just got around, I don't know, 47 feet up in the air, something like that. Absolutely ripping. Now I'm sure if you hit this bump with some relatively good speed, I'm sure that's a hell of a little kicker. Alright, try to wheelie up the whole hill. See if the little XR can get us there. It got it! Just by the hair on its chin, we did it. Oh. Yeah, so I got 5 or 10 minutes of this before I definitely need to put it back and go help Jess with the kiddos. Can it do it up the big roof? Oh my God! Oh, what a tractor. I also need to probably start the 450 and take that one for a ride. I did an oil change on it just a few days ago and I really haven't ripped it. I was short on time, but it needed to be done. See if we can do some cirkies in the dirt. Very good. Some one-handies. Still working on those. Haven't really sorted the one hands out yet. Alright, we'll take it back to the cribbo. But like I said, man, if you guys can find one of these on Marketplace, like, worth their weight in gold. So much fun. And I'm sure if in the hands of a much more capable rider, you know, i.e. Carson Brown, you see him on the XR100s, it's wild. Me, not so much. You're not gonna see much of that coming from your boy. Oh, she's just purring, fellers. Absolutely piping. Come on. It's a beautiful thing. Crib, and we will go on with our day. What a piper. Absolute pipes. I still haven't unpacked yet from the trip to Albany. There's my sweet baby. The garage is a mess, dude. I don't want to hear it. Watch out, Pavas. What's up?
I should record you doing wheelies.
I like it.
Should we?
We can. You're being recorded right now. This thing's on.
Hello.
Hello. Hi, baby.
Bye-bye.
Bye.